What's going on, guys? Today's video is going to be pretty short. This is a mod that people have been nagging me to do pretty much since the day I got the truck. I just haven't really done it, but now I'm finally doing it. I got the product and I'm ready to put it on. It's not that I didn't like this product, I just never really prioritized it for my build, but today's the day. We're putting the Pro Grille on the Tacoma. So before I get into this video, I want to shout out Toyota Proshop from Instagram for hooking me up with this grill. They got me a great deal and I'm excited to get it on the truck. So here's the box that I got from Toyota Proshop. It's been sitting in my office for about a week. I just kind of opened it and peeked inside it, but I haven't fully gone through it. So it looks like it's packaged pretty well. You know, this is like bubble wrap material and they got some styrofoam in there for the tabs that'll poke through. And then they just kind of threw this in there, but that's not too much of a worry about getting damaged, I guess. So pretty happy about that. It looks solid. Alright, so first thing out of the box is the Toyota emblem. It's all one piece. Doesn't look like the letters are removable or anything, and it looks pretty clean, pretty solid. No complaints there. Looks good. So the same thing with the grill, looks clean. I think all of the tabs are intact. So yeah, that's ready to go on. Alright, so the first step I'm going to do real quick is just to screw in this Toyota badge into the new grill. Alright, so the Toyota badge is in. Now I need to replace this piece of plastic here with the garnish for the TSS, since my Tacoma is a 2019 and has TSS. Alright, so I got it off. It had these super annoying clips on the end, so I ended up just using a Dremel to drill those out, and it came right out. Alright, so I got the TSS garnish installed, so now I just need to take out the stock grill and replace it with this guy. So I think this is just two 10mm bolts and then a few clips, and then it'll pop out. Alright, so the stock grill is out. Basically all I have to do here is remove the clips holding down the TSS wire, and then there's a few screws holding the actual TSS sensor onto the grill. So once I have that out, I can transfer it over to the new grill, and then after that's done, I just need to take out the old grill, which is I think there's 10 screws around the outside, and then I just gotta poke out these little clips. Alright, I got the grill and grill surround out. So now I'm just gonna install the Tss sensor on here and pop it in there. So of course my camera dies right as I'm putting this in, but yeah, the Toyota TRD Pro Grille is ready to go in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it back on, screw it back in, plug in the TSS, and then I should be good to go. Alright, so there you have it guys. The TRD Pro Grille is finally installed on the Tacoma. If you have any questions about the install or about the Pro Grille that I got from Toyota Proshop, feel free to drop a comment and I'll get back to you. As always, if you like this video, drop a like and hit that subscribe button so you know when my future uploads are coming out. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.